Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we have covered we have implemented how to insert the data about our course goal, right? Okay, and fix actually I just remove here for my courses, so that's why the code is not showing there, but I have shown in our previous video how to insert the data. So don't worry, I also this data because of that we have no data input at all in the appropriate input actually. Previously we may create a dummy input. So now so better go to our VS Code and also implement how to show the data. So first of all, here is our edit function. Maybe controller will be called the edit page. So now go to the VS. Okay, now here is there is a bunch of file here. So this is a course request, course repository create. This is the course controller. Okay, so here is our edit index, create, store, show, and this is our edit. So better just pass for course goal. Now course goals. Okay, fine. Course goal. Yeah, this is a not so strict for the model. So where course ID equal to dollar ID. It will be the get function. That's it. Course goal is not defined. That's the issue. So why this not suggest here? Course goal. Let's make a problem. So now it's we just try to manually put here. Nothing to do here. The core. Yes, it will be the work. And now pass the course goal. Okay. Now for this is our course edit page, so better move here, and this is our course category. Image is a lot of field friend actually. Selling fry, discount price, course goal here. We just initially make the data, and after passing the data we make it input. Okay, and this is the here, this is a container div style display flex. So better I just put in here. So for is dollar course underscore goals as dollar data reinforce. Okay, and there is a course goal, friend, not a course goal. It's may create a problem. So course goals. Okay, fine. So I just passed the appropriate better. It comes from value, and value will be dollar in data tends to goal underscore name, and everything will be the same. I just check it, is it work or not, and go to our browser. But before one things to do, we just make update the data. That's why it will help for, because of that our my existing data is not created when to make a course goal. So that's why this portion will be empty. So better we just make proper all of the proper necessary actions. So don't worry, there is the course include into the variable, and this is the same function. I will bring it there here, and also pass the data as well as here is the update, and just put in here. Okay, but function will be changed, update course goal. Okay. Now go to the service. Here is our service. So better just copy, and same function will be passed in here. So better update repository. Okay, update course goal. Go to the repository. Here is the repository. So it will be the same, but I just initially copy, and not a create course goal. It will be the update, and that's okay. Course ID, array goals, everything for is. But before one things, we just must. So just delete all the data. Why deleted all data? You just understand. So initially, if existing data will be deleted, and the new data will be created. Okay, because is a dynamic form. So it will be better for updating our process of the data. Previous data deleted and update data will be inserted, and nothing else is the same. Just one condition to be put in here. Most probably all of this are same. Just check it. Is it work or not? Everything will be okay. I hope that. Okay, course goal, but no additional add button will be shown in here. Beta the BS code, and initially, yeah, actually here, if I here actually no data will be the no data is a course goals, so that's why not showing. But don't worry, I just check it. What can I manage for that? So go to VS Code. Okay, here is the course goal, deep ID goal container. Here is the course goal will be shown is perfectly. So better just only for this button, additional button actually, and no label is required in here. So fine. It will be the work, and also the plus button. Let's check on here. Skip reload. button will be showing here actually. What the issue is they arise in here, I don't understand, but check it once again. Just to make a mistake here, this is the create.blade.php, actually not a create.blade.php. We also into the edit.blade.php. Yes, edit.blade.php, and here just place for them. And okay, okay, just keep reload. Yeah, maybe the button will be showing here finally. Okay, so just place to think this is our first, so better it will be work, I hope. So we just take appropriate data will be, looks like it's more professional, right? So because it is a professional project, so make the treat with the professional manner, it will be the better way. But here, okay, and okay, and now this time we need to update the data, and it make a mistake once again, I hope. Okay, there's a showing a big error, but I understand why this error will happen. So now check it. Perfect. This mistake you already guessed what I am making mistake. So actually mistake is here, friend. Look at the update course. Okay, so we need to make unset actually. Because of that, every time and the data will be updated to all data. Just mention of that course code is not needed. Because of that is the same request I will be applied in course goal and course also. So make sure in here, maybe it's work here. Just try. Is it work or not? Maybe not work, but better is it's work actually. I don't know. Is it show the data? And yes, data will be shows. Course goal is shows. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Two data will be inside this, and both data will be shown in here. Really good, great, great. So better we want to test another thing. Look at that. And another thing is try order management module. Here also the module is a bestseller and updated data. And okay, fine. Data is updated perfectly. And here course goal and all of the data will be shown. Okay, that's fine. That's very complex part will be completed. Course goals is dynamic jQuery based form will be completed, and that's now our next mission. Next mission will be this here. Look like also another important section will be left. This will be the course section. It's a lot of things to here, but step by step, I will solve the any. Here you can add lot of section. I will show you, friend. Don't worry. So yeah, oh yeah, the category name and subcategory name here need for one-to-one relation will be the pending. But don't worry, and the next video I will uh, cover its. If you are a new of this channel, please subscribe of my channel and also of your opinion. What actually you feel? It's not a project actually. You just real live web application. So you definitely learn a different thing that helps of our professional life to grow, make growing success. So let's see. Hopefully, next video will be meet you once again. Thank you so much.